So guys, once we are done with topology and routing and they are fixed, we can proceed with the flow control. So flow control determines the allocation of network resources. There are different types of resources such as channel bandwidth, buffer capacity and control state to the packets. So flow control provide these resources to the packets as they traverse through the network. Now what is a control state? Let me explain some node resources. A control state records allocation of channels and buffers packets and current state of packet traversing node. Then we have buffer. So packet is stored in a buffer before it is sent to next node. Then we have bandwidth. To travel to next node, bandwidth has to be allocated for a packet. More the number of packets, less will be the bandwidth. So we can have more node resources, but let's proceed. What are messages and packets? Let's understand what are flits and fits. So as you can see, message contain packets, packet contain flits, and flit contains fits. So the message is biggest. It contains many packets. Then packet has head flit, body flit, and tail flit. We will explain it further. Then flit. Sometimes flit and fit are equal. Sometimes a flit contains fits. So when a message is injected into the network, it is first segmented into packets, which are then divided into fixed length flits or flow control units. The packet contain head flit and this head flit contain destination address. It also packet also contain body flit and tail flit. Tail flit indicates the end of packet. Then flits can be further broken into fits. As I said, fits are physical units and they correspond to physical channel width. Then each flit also contains certain control information which we neglect. Control information example is like flit type or the virtual channel number. So mostly, for example, if we have a 128 bits flit and 128 byte packet, so 128 byte simply contain 8 flits and 8 flits will be divided into one head, one tail and the remaining body flits. By ignoring the extra bits needed to encode the destination or other information needed by flow control protocol. So a message is just a logical unit of communication over the network and a packet is a physical unit that makes sense to the network. Then in on-chip networks, there is no difference between message and packet, both are same and flit equals to fit. This is due to abundance of on-chip wiring resources. Channel widths tend to be wider, so messages are likely to consist of single packet. But that's not the case in off-chip networks. Messages can be of MB of data, and flits have to send have to be sent serially as multiple fits may be present. A flit may not be equal to fit.